1,130,000 people. That is roughly the population of Dallas, Texas, all of them subscribed to a single video. A video that asks a question no one can answer. What is actually inside a black hole? The video itself is a success by every measure. 7,913 likes, 213,322 views, it won, and that is unsettling. Because the subject it covers, a point of infinite density, a boundary where light itself cannot escape. Imagine a place where the laws of physics break down, where matter is crushed into a point of infinite density, where time itself stops. For decades, this was the realm of pure theory, a mathematical ghost. The public knew black holes only through science fiction, cosmic vacuum cleaners, portals to other dimensions. But the real science was far stranger and far more elusive. The competitive landscape was a battlefield of half-truths. Documentaries offered dramatic visuals but little substance. YouTube channels threw around terms like event horizon and singularity without explaining what they actually mean. Viewers were left with a vague sense of awe and 1,000 unanswered questions. What is the event horizon? A physical wall, a one-way door, and the singularity? Is it a point, a ring, or something beyond human comprehension? The most honest answer from any expert was a shrug. We don't know, yet one channel had built an audience hungry for clarity. With 1,230,000 subscribers, roughly the population of Dallas, Texas, it had become a trusted voice in science. Its viewers didn't want metaphors, they wanted the raw mechanics. How does gravity trap light? Why does spaghettification happen outside the event horizon for small black holes, but inside for supermassive ones? The channel had covered time travel, quantum mechanics, the edge of the universe, but black holes remained the final frontier, the one topic where even the best explanations felt incomplete. The problem was fundamental. You cannot see inside a black hole. The event horizon is a mathematical surface, not a barrier you can touch. The escape speed there exceeds the speed of light, so no signal ever comes back. Everything we know is inference. And the singularity at the center, its true nature, remains unknown. The landscape was a desert of speculation, dotted with oases of hard data. But one bet changed everything. The event horizon is not a wall. It is a mathematical surface, a spherical boundary where the escape speed hits light speed. Cross it, and you cannot send a signal back. No message, no light, no you. That is the moat. For a stellar mass black hole, spaghettification rips you apart before you even reach that boundary. The tidal forces stretch your body into a thin stream of atoms, long before you vanish. But for a supermassive black hole, the horizon is vast. You cross it without feeling a thing. The spaghettification waits inside, closer to the singularity. So you drift past the point of no return, still intact, still alive, for a moment. That is the strategic move. The event horizon does not destroy you immediately, it traps you first. It gives you the illusion of safety, then pulls you deeper. The singularity at the center compresses all matter into a point of infinite density. But the true nature of that point remains unknown. Physics breaks down. Equations diverge. No one knows what lies at the core. Therefore, the black hole controls the system by making escape impossible. The event horizon is a one-way door. No free trial, no 7-day grace period. Once you cross, you belong to the singularity. Yet that strength hid a vulnerability. Subscribe for one hidden monopoly, taken apart every week. The consequences of the choke point. To understand what is actually inside a black hole, you have to look past the surface. The same pattern shows up again and again, and its effects compound the longer it runs. The event horizon is not a wall, it is a point of no return. Once you cross it, the universe outside ceases to exist for you. Light cannot escape, information cannot escape. You are cut off from everything you once knew. And at the center, the singularity waits, a point where matter is crushed to infinite density, where the laws of physics break down. How did this invisible, unknowable void end up controlling the system everyone else depends on? Because it bends spacetime itself. Every star, every planet, every galaxy orbits the gravity wells that black holes create. They are the hidden engines of the cosmos. You cannot see them, you cannot touch them, but they dictate the motion of everything. The lesson: the most powerful forces are often the ones you cannot observe directly. The singularity remains a mystery. Its true nature is unknown. Yet it governs the fate of all matter that ventures too close. Spaghettification, the stretching of objects by tidal forces, is just one consequence. For a supermassive black hole, that stretching happens inside the event horizon near the singularity. The boundary is spherical, mathematical, absolute. Nothing escapes, not even light. This same principle applies to the systems we build. The hidden monopolies, the invisible algorithms, the quiet rules that shape our world, they control us precisely because we cannot see them. Next time, we will reveal the monopoly that owns the very fabric of the internet. You depend on it every day, you just do not know it yet. This was the Monopoly Matrix.